Hello?
Let's go! What you know about me? What you know about me? What you know about me? What you know? My lip gloss is cool, my lip gloss be poppin'. I'm sitting at my locker, and all the boys keep stopping. What you know about me? What you know about me? What you know about me? What you know? My lip gloss is poppin', my lip gloss is cool. All the boys keep jockin', they chase me after school.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So I thought this was a perfect opportunity to do another cheer vlog. I had a ton of requests from my last two that I did, and my daughter is moving from All Star Prep to All Star Cheer, and this is a big jump, a big commitment. So we vlogged her journey transitioning from her current gym where I also coached at. It was a great start to her cheer career, but now she is ready to get more competitive, grow with the sport. She is a fabulous cheerleader. So this is something that she really begged me to do. I'm gonna miss the gym that we were at, but we are so excited for this new journey for her. Here's a couple of shots of her current team that she was with and some videos from the past season.
Competing now from Wichita Falls, Texas, in our All Star Prep Junior Division. Let's hear it for 5, 6, 7, 8 tumble, mini stack. 5, 6, 7, 8 tumble. Here we go. Mini stack. But we never slack.
So if you hear your name called out, jump out here. There's over 2,000 cheerleaders here today. So if you hear your name, this is a huge honor. That means you've got some major showmanship going on, that they saw it and loved it. Here we go. Representing 5, 6, 7, 8 tumble stack, Taylee Powell.
So there was just a few couple clips. She won a WOW award, which she was super excited about. That's always a big goal for her. She's a very big performer. She loves to fly, but she also loves to base and just to get out there and tumble. She can kind of do anything that you need her to do. But I'm excited to be able to sit back and not coach and just be there for her, because I missed a whole lot, I felt like, coaching and having her on a different team. So I'm excited that we're starting this journey with Champion Cheer. It's a great gym, great values, and see how far she goes with this.
Tryout day, and we've already done my makeup. Now we are getting ready with my hair.
Almost done.
Yeah, almost.
So You're just going to get evaluated today, and then they'll decide whether they're going to put you in like a level 3 little clinic or a level 4 or level 2, whatever they decide you're best fitted for, and they'll let you try that out for a couple of times, and then they'll post who actually makes the team on the 19th, I think. So let's put a little lip gloss on, you know, some sparkly lips.
19th.
And then like in June is when, you know, everything starts. Yeah, but there you go. Now let me see. Yeah, now your lips got a little gloss to them, so they don't look so dry and crackly. So what do you think you're most nervous about?
I know I can do all the skills, but I'm just worried about my technique. Land with my chest up and my toes pointed to my like jumps and back walkovers and all that stuff.
And don't forget to smile. You should be good with that. You should not forget that. I'm gonna try to get for a level 3 team is what we're hoping for. 4 would be awesome.
Select.
Yes, level 3 select. We put a little makeup on, you know, because it's a tryout and all, which you look really dark in this light, but it doesn't look that dark when I'm looking at you right now. But we put a little makeup on, not much, just a little blush, some mascara, a little inner corner highlight just to make them eyes sparkle.
And then highlighter and blush.
And we just kept her little outfit super casual, just, you know, nothing too fancy or flashy or sparkly. It's got a really cute back. Here, turn around. So there's the back. She just got this sports bra. And so hopefully she'll kill it and make the team she wants to make. We're on our way to Champion Cheer. Our gym is about an hour away from where we live, so it's a little drive. I know some cheerleaders are used to living a ways, but the gym that we, you know, had her in the last couple of years, it was super close. So it's gonna be a change driving, you know, 2 to 3 times a week this far away. And Taylee does not know anybody really at this gym. There's a little girl who did pageants with her who goes to this gym, but she's a completely different level and she's a lot younger. So she's going to meet lots of new girls and start fresh. It'll be good for her, I think. And they'll be more at her level. At the last gym she was at, the team that she was on, it was a very big mix up of girls, and not everybody was on the same level, and just it didn't push her as hard. It didn't motivate her. Not saying anything bad about the gym, but she needs to be on a more competitive team, competitive gym, and that's going to take her a little bit further in her cheer career. What did you say you wanted to? What's your goal?
I want to try to get better and maybe in college get a scholarship for cheering.
So you want to try to get a college scholarship for cheering. Husband wasn't super happy about us trying to go, you know, with an all-star gym and driving farther away and, you know, a couple practices a week and stuff like that. But I told him, I'm like, she is a really good athlete. She loves basketball. She loves volleyball. She loves, what else? Softball. She's very big into softball. But just take for our little town, for instance, how many girls are really good at softball? She's not the only one. She's not the best on her team. There's several really, really good girls. So, I mean, you look at when she gets into high school and potential college scouts looking at her, I mean, it could happen, but look at the girls in our just little town and how many tumble and cheer like she does. Not very many. So when she gets older in high school, if she tumbles as good as she does now, I can't even imagine what she's going to be doing then. And there's just not a whole lot of all-star cheerleaders versus softball, basketball, volleyball. So it'd be awesome if she could get something along the lines of that, but she, you know, hopefully she can stick with pursuing several options because she loves doing them all, and it can help put her through college. Who knows? So that would be pretty awesome, I think. Okay, Taylee just got done. I recorded as much as I could. I was really far away, so it may be hard to tell, but what all did they tell you, Taylee?
They loved my jumps because my toes were pointed and I had my chest up and I went really high. They want me to come back for the level 3 select practices.
They had a difference of a club or a select, and the select ones are the teams that go to
Summit.
Summit.
And like Disney World. And
lots of competitions. Florida. How many practices you have to go to before they announce teams?
4.
4. So you got to go to 4 practices, and then they'll let you know for sure if you make the level 3 select team or not. Yeah. I think she did pretty good for how nervous she was, but
like I finally threw my punch front and my aerial. When I was warming up, I did my aerial and I did it pretty good, and then my punch front, I did it pretty good. So yeah.
And you haven't been able to do your aerial in like months. You had it, then you lost it, and then for some reason in there you threw your aerial. We will see if we can record the next few practices that she goes to, and then we will let you know when they announce teams.
I'm really excited and I hope I make it.
So now we are heading to Southlake for Taylee's cheer clinics. So it turns out that they are not going to be having a level 3 team at the Justin location, which is a really big bummer because Taylee really liked the coaches there and it was a lot closer to us. So now we are going to have to drive a little bit more and go to their sister gym, which is like an hour and a half probably for us, plus traffic. And this other place in Justin was barely an hour to get there, no traffic whatsoever. So kind of stinks, but at least she still made it. And they said she could go to this other gym, and hopefully she'll have a good day. She's got 3 days of clinics, and then they will decide if they want to keep her on the level 3 team. And again, they announced rosters on, when was it? May 19th? May 19th. So hopefully she has a good day because she's a day behind from all the girls that have been going there. So she's a newcomer today, and hopefully she'll do as good as she did the other day.
So my mom just got the email about what team I made, and I made Burn, and I'm really excited. So
What is Burn? They don't know what Burn is.
A small junior level 3 team.
Yeah. You excited?
Yeah. I'm
So-
really excited.
So she's going tonight for a practice, and she's got a stunt clinic, so she gets to meet her teammates. And are you nervous?
Yeah, kinda.
A little nervous?
Yeah.
It won't take you long to fit in. You are burnt, girl.
I know.
Look at your shoulder. Woo. That is why her nickname is Red.
Coaches, and they're super, super nice, and I really think I'm going to enjoy this year. I got my uniform, and it has lots of diamonds, and it even has a belt with diamonds, and it's really pretty.
Look how sparkly it is. Like I'm running my camera
And it
over
is a one piece, which has spandex, and then like a little skirt.
Do you like 1 pieces or 2 pieces?
2 pieces.
You like 2 pieces? Mm-hmm. But only
Seniors can.
senior teams can wear 2 pieces, which is fine. It's still really pretty. Look, did you see the mesh? Hold it up. So it's got a crisscross.
And that's
Yeah. And then it says champion on the side. I think it's really pretty. I think we're going to get new uniforms next year, but luckily we were able to score this from a bigger girl, so we didn't have to
buy a new one because we're gonna have to buy a brand new one next year when they change. But I think they're really pretty. It's a lot more sparkle than your last uniform. You want to show them your last uniform?
So this was the jacket because I couldn't find the top, but this is like the same thing.
It's pretty much how your uniform was. It just had the little sparkle just kind of scattered around it, which is cute. But like I said, that was a prep team. Taylee was on prep. Now she's All-Star. All-Star uniforms are a lot more elaborate, usually a lot more sparkle. Yeah, and the only thing that I did not like about her previous uniform, so this is a skirt. I don't know why we can't find this shirt or the top, but there's no sparkle on it whatsoever. And it's I get a two-piece to where if they're going to show their belly, but this was an actual just long top. I'll crop a picture right here. It was a long top, so every time they would tumble or do stunts or anything, it would just raise up like it was too short and their bellies would hang out. So it just didn't look near as good as an actual either two-piece or a connected uniform like this one. Yeah, even the arm. Look at the arm. It's like decked out.
And then there's like...
It's got the metallic and the mesh.
Everywhere you look, it's sparkle.
I know. It's very sparkly.
I like the sign, like the star.
The star. The champion star. That's her new uniform. It's super cute. And we got her spirit pony in. We just kind of wanted to get an idea of what it felt like. We don't really have it pinned in. We just threw it on top of her head really quick. But the color matches perfectly. Turn around, Tay. Let's show them. The color matches perfectly. I know we're in her dark room. Her real hair is like right here. Of course, we're, in her room. Her lighting is not the best. But if y'all are looking for a cheer hairpiece, definitely check out Spirit Pony. Turn around. They are amazing. The quality, I'm a hairdresser, so I can really tell if a hairpiece is good quality or not. It even has what I love. Taylee has all different kinds of tones in her hair, which is super hard to match extensions or hair pieces or anything like that. But this is not, yeah, they did it. This is not just a plain red coppery hairpiece. It has got blonde streaks, it's got copper, it's got a little brown, it's got like all these different tones just like her natural hair does. So it matched amazing. Yeah, definitely check out Spirit Pony. They're on Instagram. I'll link their website down below as well. Your cute little practice wear that you just got in, the Hawaiian pink practice wear that you just got in.
I'm gonna go get the shirt.
It's super cute. Here, let's just go in here.
Where's the shirt? Is it?
It's in here. See, we were taking photos, so we've got our ring light, set up in the living room. It's our little area. But we can show you pictures of the other ones. They were super cute. You put on your little top that matched your practice wear. I love those.
Like Hawaiian?
Yeah. And that's y'all's theme for Super Camp this week is Hawaiian. You look like a real cheerleader. Not that you didn't look like a real cheerleader before, but you got the hairpiece. You got the cool uniform this year. So
and I'm so excited to compete because we might get to go to Summit and Disney World and all the cool places.
Yes, we didn't have opportunities to do Summit with.
We went to like New Orleans.
Yeah, we went to New Orleans for the one final. Hopefully, it seems like they got a pretty awesome little team. Hopefully, they will get a bid and be able to go.